Here we go. We're about to go have some fun. It's 12:27 Thursday morning. Our nice little 14, 15, 16 hour drive to Missouri. Here we go. Bye. First fucking tunnel. Here we go. Woohoo! I'm not videoing every single tunnel, by the way, too. We're gonna pass like 4 of them in PA alone. I see light at the other end. I see light. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. GPS says, hold on, back up. GPS says if we don't stop, we'll be there at 2:38. Oh, this is the double tunnel. I forgot this one was the double tunnel. Alright, people, take a breath. We're going into the mountain. Alright. Okay. I don't know how well it'll show up in the video here, guys, but this road is not smooth. We are bouncing all over the place. We are in Indiana. We should be at our stop by 5 o'clock. That's what we are hoping. Look at that. Nice, long, flat couple of trees. Come over here. Nothing. Let me see. There's our load. You can't really see what the hell's back there, but got a couple tractors. This will be our view for 15 freaking hours. Oh yeah. Fun, fun, fun. Woohoo! Remember now, even though that says dim trucking, we're not for hire. Alright. Over there's where they shot the Twister movie. You can't see it, but there it is. I'm making it up, but it's funny. Yep, that's where they shot Twister. I want to go home. Well, not home. I just want to get out of this truck. It's 3 o'clock, and as you've heard, we started this trip at 1 a.m. and it is now 3 p.m. and we are still in the truck with both of us having about approximately 4 hours of sleep. So as you can tell, we are a little excited to get out of this. We still got about 2 hours left. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are headed to the swap meet that starts at 8. We got about 8 to 10 hours of sleep yesterday, being on the road for like 15, 17 hours. We are in much better spirits. That we're in the process of maybe going and spending money, so I mean, what could be better? Look at tractors, spend money, googly eye over tractors some more, and then we get to tar our 8-hour trip to South Point on the way back. It is currently 37 degrees here in Booneville, Missouri. We're here in Booneville. We still got everything on the trailer, but it'll be off here in a little bit. As you can see, it's going to be a beautiful day. They said it's supposed to get that high like 55, 60. So for all you Pennsylvanians, it's going to be warm. Alright, later. Hey, Zach said this is the new motor we're going to put in the Dodge. It's only a 4-cylinder, so we're actually stepping down from the 6-cylinder Cummins, but you know, we think it'll do alright. You tell me what y'all think. Fingers in the way. Let me try and get your bag out of the screen here. Got an old Allis Chalmers. Here's some more. I'm gonna get you in through the screen. There we go. We are at the Minnesota Allis Chalmers swap meet. Some good deals to be made. Good deals to be made. Good morning. We're on day 3, third hotel. We made our first delivery this morning. But look at this. I can't tell if this is a pothole or a lake. I mean, you can see up to about 2 feet, but then after that, you can't see shit till you come to the island over there. I mean, it's a big damn pothole. That is fucking huge.